What's up, you guys? It's your girl Jerica, and I'm back with another video today. And today, I'm just basically showing y'all how I do a quick 5-minute bun using the donut bun that I got from the hair store. Just real quick and simple. See, my hair is just freshly moisturized, and I just don't really have nowhere to go, but since I've got some errands to run, why not do my hair? I'm tired of looking like a bum, okay? Since 2021 started, I've been looking like a bum. Like, serious. It's crazy. But yeah, right into it. This is what I use for it. And since I got thick hair, this is what I want to use. I'm gonna think I'm gonna go on top. You see, I had it parted to do a back one, but I think I'm gonna put it on top of my head. So yeah. But yeah, if y'all want to see how I do my 5-minute bun, go ahead and stay tuned. Subscribe while you at it too, cause I'm kind of funny sometimes. But this is the gel I'm gonna go ahead and use for my bun. Eco olive oil. I got it on sale at the Dollar General for $2. My edge brush and also my hair brush. I'm just gonna use my detangling brush where I don't know where I dropped it. Actually, right here. And that is pretty much it. I might have a little, use a little bit of this natural hair milk, just to spray it. I don't know, I just like to feel so moisturized whenever I do a hairstyle. Hair ties. And I also use this because if you have been following me, you know that I pulled out my edges from a weave, and I use this to kind of pretend like I still have them. But right into it. Go ahead. And this is just nice and simple, because you ain't gotta do too much. You don't have to do too much. Ooh, this hanging part, I think is the hardest part. Jeez. Okay. Alright. Y'all see, I already have my edges slicked a little bit, so yeah, I was working. So yeah, I was just like, why not do the video if you already about to do your hair? So yeah, give y'all some content. Y'all see, I think about y'all, even though y'all don't always think about me. I be thinking about y'all. Whew. Now that's a struggle. Oh, baby, what I'm gonna do? It's ridiculous. Okay. Go in with my gel. Ain't nothing like a slicked back of your head, okay? I see some lumpy backs, and I done seen some flat backs. I see some crazy stuff back here, okay? Including myself. Okay. Whew. And I ain't even did the front yet. Oh, okay. Okay. Just trying to have it as flat as I can in the front. Okay. Trying to hold it, still brushing at the same time. Okay. Don't need too much product up front, but yeah. Okay. That's the good thing about starting with your hair really moisturized, because it holds, well, not more moisturized, just like a little water base, because it helps hold the product and lock it in place. Ooh. Don't mind my facial expressions, but you see the guns, okay? Ooh, this gets so tiring. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. That's part one. That is part one, you guys, okay? Part one. Now, you want to go ahead, do a little round with your gel. Make sure everything is everything. Okay. Then take this. You can get this. I've bought one from Forever 21 before, and also other places. But the hair store, I go to like the US hair store. My hair milk. But I go to the US hair store and you get it for like $5. So yeah. And then I like to give it like a curly effect. So I don't know. So it don't just necessarily look nappy. So, as you can see, my hair is not that long. It's thick enough to cover the bun, but it's not super long. So if you're not working with super long hair, boom. That's all I do. And then come back around and brush it. So that you can make sure that all rounds of... Okay. This one, I don't think it's stretchy enough, but we're going to see if it works. Might just work here. Good thing that it's so spongy, so there we have it. There we go. And then turn it just to lock it in place, basically. Okay. Well, that's it. Now we're going to go in and do our baby hairs. As you can see, this eyebrow is always delayed, okay? Always. But this one, I gotta come out. Basically, draw it on like an eyebrow. It's not funny, but it is kind of funny. And I just burned my head so bad because I did not even put no gel right there. Oh. Okay, so I'm not the best at baby hairs, but I just do what fits me, you know? I don't necessarily I don't know. And every look calls us for something different, you know? And this is normally, I already kind of filled it in a little bit, but this is normally where I'll just go in with the edge booster. You see, it makes it a little darker. So I just don't look so bald-headed on this side, you know? But yeah, there you have it. And then you just go in and add your accessories. Boom. There you have it. Is she a pretty girl or what? And that's a 5-minute bun for you, okay? Hope you enjoyed this video. That was it. And I'm wishing good vibes, good love, good energy to everyone out there. Have a great day.